Buddy.
What?
They made us have a piece of paper and then we would do it in your orange. Do it in your orange.
I'm sorry.